Select an image that you would like off the internet, right-click and hit Copy Image. You can also save the image and open it up in Illustrator. Once in Illustrator, select File and then Paste. Center your image onto your document. Select Image, Trace, and then change the image to a black and white logo. Hit Expand and ungroup your image. This releases the image as a compound path. After then, we're going to create a new layer. Within this layer, we're going to create a color block. This color block will enable us to see everything that we do not need or want in our image. Create your color block. You can make it the size of your image. Lock your image layer so you don't affect it while moving it. Then lock your color block layer, and now we can delete the unnecessary white spaces in the back. Use your selection tool, select the parts that you want to delete, and hit delete. After then, we can now delete our color block because we are finished getting out all the backgrounds that we do not want in our image. And you can do that by just dragging that layer down to the trash can at the bottom of the screen. Next, we're going to color in our image. Select the space that you would like to color and choose preferred colors. So I colored in the shirt red, and now moving to the face, we're going to choose a yellow. And it's all in preference. This yellow was a little bright for me, so I'm going to choose a darker, kind of a golden color for Pooh. Once you've selected your color, it will save in your image. And now you can select each area and just eyedrop that color in to fill it in for all the parts of Pooh's body. There we go. This is the last part, and now Pooh's all colored in. So now we're going to create a compound path for each color. You select the color, go to Select, hit Same, and then Fill Color, and then you hit Control 8, which makes the color a compound path. I'm going to do the same with the body and the yellow. I'm going to hit Select, Same, Fill Color, then Control 8 to make a compound path. Then with the black, the same steps, Select, Same, Fill Color, and then Control 8. And now it's all a compound path. So now I'm able to pull it apart, and you can see that each color has been grouped together. The gold, the red, and the black. This makes it easy to cut in Cricut. So I'm going to put my image back together, and I'm going to save it as an SVG file. So you go up to File and hit Save, and make sure it's an SVG extension. Now we're going to come over to Cricut and upload our image. And make sure you upload the SVG file that you created. Open it, hit Save. And now we're going to insert our image into our Cricut document. So now here's where you can choose the preference of what size you want your image. I like to have a large size because it's going on a tote bag. So once you select your size, you hit Make It, and as you can see, you only have 3 mats to cut for the 3 compound colors that you merged together while making your SVG. Make sure you mirror your image due to us using HTV, and this is going on an actual garment. You hit Continue, and now you're ready to cut out your image. Thank you for joining us on this Tutorial Tuesday as we learn how to make an SVG and cut it out in Cricut. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to us at Brilliant Vinyl directly. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, join our Facebook group, and our Instagram page, as well as like and subscribe to our channel. Until next Tuesday, we'll see you again, and remember, don't be ordinary, be brilliant.